The birthday man is here. You know this how you know people that have money. Just do her like this.
Wow, that is it.
Hey, dance so. Why are you sitting down? No. We are planning it. Yes, sir. Traditional mode. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. Hooray!
Long life and prosperity.
Amen.
Thank you very much. Water dance.
Mr. Joshua, this side did they go?
Oh, well, you know.
We have one. Yes, so. Oh, yeah, everybody do your hand like this. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, item 7.
DJ now, right DJ.
DJ Substance. What's your name? Bob Daddy.
Come on.
Bob Daddy.
Our Bob Daddy. What are you saying?
Yes, sir. So I just got back from work and saw that my order from Share Shop Ship had arrived. So I decided to show you guys what I got this time around. You know, like Shasham Ship has always been my plug. Oh wow, this is thin. No way. Look at that mess. Oh, with my Korean red bean paste poured. Like, what the hell? Like, how did this even? Oh no, like this is opened. Is this really safe to eat right now? Oh wow, just look at this mess. This has never happened. What happened like this? Oh. I don't even know how to feel right now about this kind of mess. But anyways, let me take this stuff out. I got this Cameron's smooth coffee, but I got the Velvet Moon espresso roast. I got such good reviews from this, you know, from reading reviews on Amazon, so I decided to buy it. Then I bought this 8 o'clock. I hope I've made good decisions because the reviews on this product were very good, so I decided to try it out. But interestingly, my order from the UK as well just came yesterday. I got like 2 different bags of coffee. I don't know if I'm going to be opening a coffee shop, but watch out, that might be a possibility because now I have these 4 bags and I have other coffee right here. Like I still have like 2 bags of coffee under here, like as you can see, that's San Francisco, and I have one under it. Oh. Yeah, okay, here it is. I have one here, so I don't know if I'm going to be opening a coffee shop very soon, so just look out for that. That might be a possibility. So now I will need to add this stuff here. Oh, finally my Oatly the barista version is here. I really hope this tastes as good as, you know, the review says, because the last time I tried out the, you know, the normal Oatly, the blue one, it was not very good, or it did not really go well with my coffee. And then
trying Oatly milk for the very first time.
I decided to buy 2 different oat milk. One is Califia and this is Oatly. So I got good reviews from these 2 products. I decided to try them to know which one I would be going for finally. And then one thing I love so much, I got this banana milk. This stuff, since I tasted it in Korea, I've been hooked. So I got this, and then some supplements. Oh, this one is reviewed to be very good for sleep. I really hope it does what it says. At least the reviews were very good, so I'm going to try it. At least from the reviews, it is said that when you take it, before 45 minutes, you're already feeling sleepy. I want to try it. So these were all the things I got from Amazon. But now, this spillage that occurred in this place is really annoying me. I'm really hoping I'm making a good decision eating this gochujang sauce, because it should not be funny. I've never seen any gochujang sauce that comes and is opened already. Like, does that make sense? So now I need to remove this and, you know, take them out. I'm still very angry at this sauce that goes here. I'm already stressed from work. Now I come back to this. It's not just funny. Guys, remember I talked about buying the first Oatly? So this was the one I got first before I decided to buy this. Or no, I bought the barista one, but I ordered it from Amazon, so it had not come before I saw this one in the store, and I made a review about it, thinking that this was supposed to be for coffee. But then Oatly, replied, because I tagged them in the video on my Instagram. You can go and check that out. And they replied and said this is not for coffee. Apparently the barista one is only for coffee. So this was the one I tested, and I did not like it at all. So I'm hoping to really get a better experience with the barista one, which just came. That one I ordered on Amazon. If I like it and I see it here in Nigeria, I bet I'm going to be switching completely from cow's milk to Oatly. So let's see how that goes. But basically, I got this one first. Sorry guys, I had to on the generator because Nigeria happened to me. They took lights, so that is that noise you're hearing behind me. Sorry about that. But anyways, earlier I showed you guys this Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. This one that got stained with the gochujang sauce. But anyways, this is one of the collagens, because I feel I'm getting too old. I need collagen because right now my knees hurt, so many things hurt. Like we are trying to do the right things right now, and this is one of the steps I'm taking. But before this one came, I already ordered for this. So this is from Applied Nutrition, because I tried their hold on, let me show you. So this is the first product I ordered from this company, Applied Nutrition. This is their whey protein, and I liked it so much. Like, it was very easy to swallow. So it made me decide, this is the second bag by the way, but it made me decide to buy from them. And I tested it yesterday, but now I have to take it before I have my proper meal. Like, the taste is very easy. You know how collagen lacks, it does not have any taste, but this one was quite different, and I was so excited that happened, because I chose the citrus twist as the flavor option that I wanted. So, and it came out very nice. I was so happy. I decided, let me show you guys, because we are trying to do the needful, taking our collagen, we are getting older, that kind of vibe. So basically, your girl has got to take her collagen right now before I have my meal. So I have this shaker stuff. I just need 1 scoop of this. So now let's make this. It has this scooping spoon. So it has this very tiny scooping spoon. I just need 1 spoon of this. Okay, that goes in there. Cover this cup. Good thing is this cup has like markers. So on the direction on how to take, it says 200 cl or so, 200 ml, sorry. So that is 200. And now we shake. Shake. So now this stuff is very easy to swallow. It has this this orangey type of color. This is not my first time of trying collagen, right? This is like the second time I'm trying to take collagen, but this is the best tasting one. I don't know how this is going to taste because I have not opened it. I'll try it some other time, but today I'm not feeling very adventurous. So your girl has got to take the one that she's used to. At least this is my second time trying it, and it tastes very good. So finish. done with this, I need to go and eat proper dinner. The time is currently 5:46. Don't mind this, my dead phone. I have another phone, by the way. This is just the one I used to play music, Samsung. I bought this phone in South Korea, maybe because the phone, you know, was made for their type of weather. I got back to Nigeria, I did not use this phone for up to a year. It turned to this color. Like you can see the retro vibe the phone is giving me right now. But I have another phone, so that's no worries. Now I need to go and eat dinner. Using something that is called the abundance mindset. Nobody really tells you this, but it is something that has brought me this far. Guys, so here's how I've been getting ahead of my